In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on 1688. If you use 1688 to browse products or connect with suppliers, switching the interface to English can make navigation much easier. Keep in mind that 1688 is primarily designed for the Chinese market, so even after changing the language, not everything will switch over. I'll walk you through what you can change, what to expect, and how to recognize the key menu labels you'll see along the way. Start by opening the 1688 app on your phone and make sure you're on the main screen. From there, head to your account area. Look for the Profile tab, which is usually labeled Wo De. You'll often find it at the bottom right of the screen, and it may also show a person or silhouette icon. Tap that to open your profile page. Inside your profile, find the Settings menu labeled Shi Ji. It's commonly represented by a small gear icon. Depending on your app layout, settings may appear near the top right or in a list within your profile page. Tap Settings to open the configuration options. Within Settings, look for Language, which may be shown as Language or as Duo Yu Yan, meaning multilingual. This option is typically grouped with general preferences. If you see a globe icon or the word Yu Yan, you're in the right place. Open the language section to view the available options. Choose English if it appears in the list. Some versions label it simply as English or EN. When you select it, the app may briefly refresh. After that, parts of the interface, like some menus and system labels, should display in English. If you don't see English as an option, it likely means your region or app version doesn't support it yet. A quick note on expectations: even with English selected, most product listings, supplier descriptions, and many category names will remain in Chinese. Buttons and banners created by sellers are also usually unchanged. That's normal for 16888. Knowing a few common labels can help. Wodi is profile or my account, Shiji is settings, and Yuyan or Duo Yuyan points to language. Icons are also helpful cues. Look for the gear for settings and a globe for language. To recap the flow, open the 1688 app, go to Profile labeled Wo Dea, open Settings labeled Shiju, find Language or Duo Yuyan, and select English if it's available. That's all you need to switch the interface where it's supported. Take your time with each screen, and you'll have the language set up in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes browsing 1688 a little smoother.